Hello friends, how are you? This is Absar from the Quick Code channel, and today we are going to learn HTML entities. Now what the hell are they? Actually, our keyboard have very less functionalities. Like we don't have a copyright symbol. In some keyboards maybe it is installed in the keyboards, but in most of the keyboards there is no sign for copyright, and there is no sign for registry or trademark, or there is no sign for Greek letters. Okay, so how we can use this feature in our web page? So we use the HTML entities for this purpose. Now I make the table known as HTML entities, and here I am put some very important and common and popular HTML entities. There are thousands of HTML entities. You can just go ahead on Google and type HTML entities and when to use and how we can use, and there are a lot of stuff that you can check online. So just don't be rely on any tutorial of HTML or anything. Just you should Google everything and go different blogs and read articles about the thing. That will help you a lot in future. Okay, so this is an MDN glossary for HTML entity, and there are a lot of entities. I don't know why it is showing just 4, but there are a lot more entities. Like if you just write the complete reference, okay, and hit enter. Now here are some sites, so just go with the first one and wait. Now here you can see there are a lot of signs for the HTML entities. Now there are a lot of these kind of alphabets, or you can say these kind of symbols, are not available in our keyboard. So that's why we use HTML entities for this purpose. So let's do some practical. Okay, so this is our HTML file. Here it is, and inside we are going to plug some HTML entities. So just come to my HTML entities file. This is the file that I just created for the video purpose, and to be very honest, I took these tables from other sites and then just make some changes in this. You can find this in the description section. So click on the description and there is a link for HTML entities document, and here you will find this document, and it is very useful. If you want to write the p tag inside the p tag, how you can do this? Like this is my paragraph tag, and you want to write like paragraph tag look like. Now you want to show your friends that paragraph tag looks like something this. So how you can print these tags and the element inside? How you can do this? If you just type it in this way and hit Control S and then just come here and inside this folder refresh the page. Now where the p tag, there is no p tag. Actually, why it is happening? Because HTML is considering this as a paragraph tag, so HTML considering it paragraph inside paragraph. So how we can fix this? Like if you want to show some code of your friend, or if you want to show your code to your friends, how you can do this? You can do it in seconds. Just use the HTML entities. So here HTML entities come in handy. So how we can use it? So this is a less than symbol. So for the less than symbol there are HTML entities. So I think it is not looking clean, so let's come back and now come to the document, and here is the less than symbol. For the less than symbol, this less than symbol, you can print it in HTML code by this HTML entity, by entering this HTML entity. So the ampersand, let me zoom for you. This is the ampersand, and then this is L, and then T, and then semicolon. So this whole thing will make a less than symbol. Now this L for less and T for than. Okay, so and ampersand is telling that it is the entity. Okay, so you can either use this way, alphabetical way, or you can use numbers. Numbers is difficult to remember, but in some cases you have to use numbers, because numbers there are no HTML alphabets or these kind of alphabets available for some for many of the entities. So there we have to use the HTML numbers, but just forget it and come to the HTML entity with the name values. So here it is. So and ampersand, okay, you can say it ampersand, right? Just usually say it and then L and T and then semicolon. So come here to your HTML document, okay, and now use it. So use the and symbol or ampersand symbol, then L and then T, okay, and then the semicolon. Okay, so just press Ctrl S. Let's see what will happen. So refresh it, and you can see it is printing this less than symbol. Now the next thing is come back to your document, and this is a greater than symbol. For the greater than symbol, very easy, GT. Just you have to use GT instead of LT. So GT stands for greater than, and then it is ampersand, and this is semicolon. So make sure that you always use ampersand and semicolon. Semicolon should be in the end, and ampersand should be in the starting point or the top. So just come here and use and then GT for greater than, and then a semicolon. Now press Ctrl S, come back to your document and refresh it. Now you can see both our tags are appeared. So now just come here and inside both of them just write P to denote that this is to tell your friends or to tell anybody else that this is the tag used for paragraph or what purpose you like. Just press Ctrl S, come back here and refresh it. Now you can see you finally printed your code. Now I know it's a long way, but it is the correct way, and correct way is good. Now if you want to print the ampersand symbol, how actually you can do this? Now for the ampersand symbol, just use ampersand and AMP and then this. Okay, so do practical for all the things. Now the very important is copyright symbol. For the copyright, use and copy. Just I am copying from here and come back after the paragraph tag and write this and copy. Press Ctrl S, come back to my document and here refresh it. Now you can see the C inside the circle is appeared. This symbol denotes that this is a copyright. Now you can do this for registry or registration. So just use the and or ampersand, then reg and then this, and then press Ctrl S and come back to your document and refresh it. Now you can see the R is appeared for register. Now you can also use trademark. So I don't know where it is for trademark. Just come to your new tab and search for the trademark. Trademark, and then entity. Come back here. I don't know what is this site. I just okay, and trade. So this code will give you, copy it and come back here, press enter, control V, or hit a tab here, or whatever if you don't want to hit a tab. So just come back here into the HTML entities, refresh it, and here you can see it is a TM symbol appearing. So these are the HTML entities. Now you can use some mathematical operations like for all, partial differential, and there exist empty sets, null, I don't know how to pronounce it. So these are the some HTML entities that can be very helpful in some situations. Okay, so you can use arrow symbols also. So these are some arrow symbols. Okay, and this is some spade and heart and diamond. So whatever you want to do, it's totally up to you. This is all for this tutorial, and if you have any trouble in this session, just comment it down. I will help you. So I just put the description of this file in, I will just put the file in the description. So you just click on the link and then enjoy your HTML entities and make some fun. So that's all for this tutorial, and I love you all to see you here again. So come back to the next tutorial. Okay friends, so